Hey, in the shop with me today is Nick Rutter from McKee's 37. How you doing, Nick?
Great to see you, Dennis.
Great to have you back, as always. McKee's 37, reasonably new brand, but from a name that's not new at all. Bob McKee is the guy that created all this stuff.
Yeah, the McKee name has a lot of history, and Bob McKee is a visionary in the industry. He started out with humble beginnings in New Jersey, operating several concession stands on the New Jersey boardwalk.
What a way to start out.
Great way to start out.
But you learn about human nature, let me tell you.
You sure do. Did that for 15 years, went to college, came to Florida, started a business called Auto Geek, grew it to a giant, sold it, developed several brands along the way, Blackfire, Wolfgang, Pinnacle, Marine 31. Big names. And then when he sold the company, he kept McKee's 37.
So this is the one so good it bears his own name.
Correct.
Indeed it does. This is a complete system here, but it's kind of a simplified system. Is that true?
It really is, Dennis. We manufacture a product for every square inch of your car and truck and your boat and your RV. And this is our paint polishing system, which it has products that complement it. But I'm going to be focusing on our two-step system, which is our swirl remover, aptly named, and then our polish.
These things, typically there's an array of pads, and I got to make sure I got the right abrasive nature of the pad or for the product and all that. But you've simplified that too, is that true?
We've really simplified it, Dennis, because our system is compatible with any machine, any pad. So if you already have a buffer, just get the two polishes, boom, you're all set.
Hey, let's see what it does. I mean, we got a really cool CLS here. It does have a couple flaws in the hood, though.
Yeah, some common defects that you're going to see in a daily driver. Some scuff marks, some swirl marks. This will take care of that. Now I'm going to show the Flex 3401. Again, while you can use it with any system or any machine, the Flex, it's powerful, it's lightweight, awesome tool. Take our pad conditioner, and what this does is when you're starting out with a brand new foam pad, it provides some lubrication. And our swirl remover is the first step. And this is going to take care of the defects without scouring or hazing the finish. So you squirt some onto a cutting pad. It could be foam or wool. Does not take a whole lot of product. Take my machine, medium speed setting, firm downward pressure.
Overlapping passes, just kind of spread it out.
Yep.
And then you take it right up?
Take it right off, yeah, no drying time. It has a very long, what we call a buffing cycle. No dust, no smearing, wipes off clean.
Man, it already looks good.
Already looks great. And then step number 2, and this is going to take the paint from a 9 to a 10, is going to be the polish.
Okay.
And what the polish does is it contains even finer abrasives that are going to smooth over any microscopic imperfections that really even the eye can't detect, but when light hits it, light displays the true clarity. Polish, and this is a less aggressive foam pad. Just a few squirts. And all our products are very concentrated, so you don't really use a whole lot.
Okay, yeah, that doesn't look like much stuff.
No, it's really not.
Same speed?
Actually, a lower speed this time.
Okay.
And a little bit less pressure.
All right. And I'm going to pull it right up again, right?
Pull it right up again, yep. Always make sure you have a clean side of your towel. Fold it 4 ways so it's easy to hold. And just wipe it off. Wipes off clean. After this, slap your favorite wax or sealant on, hopefully McKee's 37.
But of course.
And then call it a day.
And you are good to go.
You're good to go.
So if I've got the buffer, you got the chemicals.
We sure do. That's simple.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Your paint will look flawless.
Fantastic.
Make the switch.